Welcome back. So depending on how early you got up this morning, we get it pretty early around here. You may have caught the end of last night's total lunar eclipse. The red-orange hue you see is caused by stray bits of sunlight that filter through our atmosphere as the sun, the moon, and the earth all align. This month's bloodworm moon is the only lunar eclipse visible from the U.S. this year. Kylie, you got a lot of pictures sent to you.
Yeah, we sure did, and we're very thankful for those pictures, especially because some of us were driving to work whenever it was happening.
Or asleep.
I didn't get a chance to pull over and take a picture myself, but this is a shot from the roof of our Fox 4 News studios, thanks to one of our editors, Jose, for sending this in. Yeah, thankfully, we saw a few breaks in those high clouds late last night, early this morning for those viewing conditions. Here's another shot from out in Crowley, really seeing that red-orange hue nicely with this image here. Thanks to Devin for sending in this shot. You also saw clear skies, perfect for that total lunar eclipse viewing. That's long gone, though. Now we have to talk about today's forecast, and we have a lot to get to. A red flag warning goes into effect for all of North Texas at 11 o'clock this morning. The last time that a red flag warning was issued for the metroplex was back in August of 2023, so it's been a minute, and that is to account for that extreme to even critical fire danger threat that will be in place later on today. Relative humidity falling below 15%, coupled that with winds upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour sustained, and then gusting between 50 and 60 miles per hour, especially the farther west and northwest that you live. So that high wind warning is already in effect. That'll be in effect through 7 o'clock this evening. And you can see a little bit closer to the metroplex, winds still gusting upwards of 50 miles per hour at times through the middle of the afternoon. I think that those wind speeds will peak from about 11 o'clock this morning through about 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon before slowly dying down tonight. I still expect a little bit of a breeze to continue late tonight, though. Gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour will be possible, but nothing compared to what we expect to see later on today. That dew point forecast, this is what we mean when we're talking relative humidity falling below 15%. That is very dry air, and that's thanks to a Pacific front that'll be heading in later this morning. Dew points will continue to drop through the rest of the day. Dry air stays in place through tomorrow, and because of that, any moisture that you see on the radar thanks to a disturbance, most of that will be evaporating before it reaches the surface tomorrow morning. We're waking up to temperatures in the 60s to start, and we'll end easily at about 80 degrees. You can see what's left of those high clouds kind of drifting across far eastern and southeastern parts of North Texas as we wait for the arrival of that Pacific front. So 60s to start, low 80s to finish, just a few cirrus clouds here and there. Don't be surprised later on, too, if you see some of that blowing dust, very similar to what we saw a couple of weeks ago, kind of giving that sky that orange brownish hue later on today. Our futurecast showing highs easily climbing into the upper 70s and low 80s tonight. As a disturbance tracks across the area, we'll see an increase in cloud cover and maybe a few sprinkles early tomorrow morning. And by the afternoon, a mix of sun and clouds take over as we climb into the low 70s. As far as rain chances go, minimal over the next week or so, and because of that, that fire danger threat will likely remain elevated as we head into next week. Few sprinkles possible tomorrow morning, and a severe weather outbreak is likely later on today across parts of the Midwest and even a little bit closer to the southern parts of the United States. So on your forewarned 7-day forecast, for us here, though, that same system responsible for that potential severe weather outbreak is what's giving us the high winds, likely some blowing dust. That's the icon that you see right there on the sun on your Friday forecast. We're in the 70s through the weekend. Pick day looks to be Sunday as winds finally taper off.